how do I care for these two starter plants? And this is Michelle from Memphis, Tennessee. First plant is Kalanchoe, right? The thing about Kalanchoe is going to be this, Mr. John. So it loves bright indoor light.
Ah, the problem with houseplants.
Yeah, it's the light.
Yeah,
right?
it's always a problem. Just houses, by and large, don't have as much light as plants would like.
That's right. So bright indoor light, you can give it that. Good, well-drained potting mix, right? A potting medium. You definitely need that, okay? Something else about houseplants, you would probably know this, it's the watering regime, right? They don't want to be soggy, right? They actually want to dry out before you water them. So I would let, those plants dry out before I water. And then if you need to fertilize, I would probably fertilize Kalanchoe maybe once a month with one of your liquid, houseplant fertilizers, okay? Kalanchoe is pretty easy, to maintain. So bright indoor light, you should be fine with that. Now, the other plant was peace lily. Seems like everybody has a peace lily, right?
Yes.
All right. A pretty, popular, house plant.
And they're a little more forgiving of a darker room, too.
Right. They can actually flower in low light. Yeah, my mom has a house full of peace lilies. So low light, they can flower, but they do like bright indirect sunlight. And the thing about peace lilies is going to be this, right? So you have to have a moist soil, not soggy, but moist. So let it dry out just a little bit in between waterings, and then of course water, appropriately at that time.
Yeah, and I would think that giving them a bigger pot would be a good thing too.
Yes. Yeah, bigger pots, definitely for both of these plants, especially for the peace lily. Actually likes to be kind of root bound a little bit, but when the roots start coming out of the, the bottom holes, and make sure you have drainage holes. That's very important. Then you might need to go up another pot size, but yeah, draining holes are going to be real important. Yeah, don't let them just sit, let that water sit in those saucers, right? And let the pot sit in there, with that, because that can cause problems. But light is going to be key. It's going to be key, Ms. Michelle. So again, for your Kalanchoe, bright indoor light, and then for your peace lily, it can flower in low light, but it likes bright indirect.
Yes.
Right, and then watch your watering. Let the soil dry out a little bit before you do water, and I think you'll be fine. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.